When the highest form of control you put in place to manage a hazard is an administrative control, you're sending a very clear message to your workforce. Now, what is that message? Well, to understand that, we need to talk about the different type of controls we can put in place to manage hazards. And we'll go to the hierarchy of controls. And at the top of that hierarchy is elimination, the most effective type of control there is, because we eliminate the hazard. Then we move to substitution, where we can substitute the hazard for something less hazardous. Then we move to isolation and engineering controls. For example, we can put guards around a hazard to keep our people safe from it. Now, these are collectively known as the hard controls. And from this point forward, we move on to the least effective controls, which are our administrative controls and our PPE, our personal protective equipment. Now, your administrative controls are all the policies and procedures you have to tell people how to do the work and how to be safe. And both them and PPE are known as the soft controls. But have you ever really considered the fundamental difference between a hard control and a soft control? Well, in a hard control, what you're trying to do is fundamentally change the nature of the hazard. When we move to soft controls, we're trying to fundamentally change the behavior of your people around the hazard. In other words, we're choosing to leave the hazard in play. If you're a senior leader, a really confronting exercise is to go and look at the percentage of controls where the highest form of control you have in place is an administrative control. Because when you find that, what you're saying as an organization is you're saying that you are choosing to leave that hazard in play, and you're just telling your people to be more careful around it.